Hey guys, today we're going to keep talking about landforms just like we have the last couple of days. I have a fun fact for you. Did you know that 1/4 of the Earth's surface is covered by land? But all of the land on Earth is not the same. The physical features of the Earth are called landforms. Today we're going to be talking about some of them a little bit more. Do you remember what a mountain is? A mountain is a landform that rises above the surrounding area. It's taller and higher than a hill. What do you think life would be like if you lived on a mountain? I want you to think about what the air would feel like. Would it be cooler? What would the weather be like? Would it be raining all the time, maybe snowing, hot and sunny? Think about it and talk to whoever is there with you. Climate is like weather, but over a long period of time. So maybe over a month, years, centuries. Landforms can affect the climate and lifestyle of a community. So I want you to take a minute and click here on a video about living in the desert. And when you do that, I want you to think about how it might be different living in the desert or a mountain or an ocean or by the coast. So I'll give you a minute just to do that. Hopefully that video was a good reminder of what a desert is. A desert is a barren region that is usually hot and dry. Barren means empty or just that there's not a whole lot around. They have rocky or sandy soil and very little plant life or rain. How do you think the lifestyles of plants, people, and animals are different in the desert? Do you think there's the same kind of plants, the same kind of animals, the same kind of dress that you might wear? Are you going to wear something hot, like a snowsuit, in the desert, or would you wear something like a t-shirt and shorts?